Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Let us recall what we learned yesterday. Movement of animals. Different animals move in different ways. Some animals run, some walk, some hop, some fly, and some swim. Insects. Most insects crawl on the ground, and some insects can fly. Reptiles. Reptiles crawl on the ground with their 4 legs. Birds. Most birds can fly. For example, parrots, crows, and kingfishers. Some birds fly long distances. Example, Arctic terns. Some birds can fly only short distances, hens and peacocks. There are some birds that cannot fly, such as ostriches, penguins, and kiwis. Mammals. Most mammals move with the help of 4 legs. Okay, I hope all of you would have completed the assignment which I gave yesterday. Now, today, let us move on to the body parts for movement in animals. Insects have legs for their movement. Insects such as bedbugs and lice have jointed legs and a pair of claws at the end of the legs. The claws help the insect to move on the surface. Such insects do not have wings. Insects with 2 pairs of wings. Example, butterflies, dragonfly. Insects with a pair of wings. Examples, houseflies, fruit flies, mosquitoes. Insects fly using their wings, which have powerful muscles. For example, houseflies and bees flap their wings very fast. Reptiles have short, stout, and strong legs. Lizards have tiny pads with hooks on their feet. These hooks help the lizards to cling to walls, even when they are upside down. The legs of crocodiles are very strong, which help them to move on land. Crocodiles crawl on ground with their 4 legs. Crocodiles have webbed feet and a powerful tail to help them swim. Tortoises use their 4 legs and hind legs to move. The 4 legs of turtles are modified into flippers to help them swim. You can see a small video on the movement of the turtle. Snakes do not have legs. Snakes move on their stomach with the help of special type of muscles present in their body. Flippers, modified forelegs that help animals such as turtles and dolphins to swim. Today's assignment: write true or false. Write true or false. Bedbug have wings. Turtles have flippers. Snake have legs. Crocodiles have webbed feet. Butterflies have a pair of wings. Read the passage and answer the questions. Read the passage and answer the questions. Turtles are reptiles. They have a hard shell that protects them like a shield. Many turtle species, not all, can hide their heads inside their shell when attacked by predators. Sea turtles have special glands which help them remove salt from the water they drink. Turtles are cold-blooded. Answer the following questions. What does a turtle do when attacked by predator? What does a turtle do when attacked by predator? Turtles hide their head inside the shell when attacked by predator. Turtles hide their head inside the shell when attacked by predator. Are turtles warm-blooded or cold-blooded? Are turtles warm-blooded or cold-blooded? Turtles are cold-blooded. Turtles are cold-blooded. Let us recall what we learned today. Body parts for movement in animals. Insects. Insects have legs for their movements. Insects such as bedbugs and lice have jointed legs and a pair of claws at the end of the legs. Such insects do not have wings. Some insects have 2 pairs of wings. Some insects have only 1 pair of wing. Reptiles. Reptiles have short, stout and strong legs. Lizards. Lizards have tiny pads with hooks on their feet. These hooks help the lizards to cling to walls even when they are upside down. Crocodiles. The legs of crocodiles are very strong, which help them to move on land. Crocodiles also have webbed feet and a powerful tail to help them swim. Tortoises use their forelegs and hind legs to move. The turtles have modified their forelegs into flippers which help them to swim. Snakes do not have legs. They move on their stomach. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. See you in the next class.